The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for Onondaga County and Cortland County until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado south of Tully. The storm was located near Cortland, moving north at 25 miles per hour. The storm will be near Lafayette by 2:50 p.m., DeWitt by 3 p.m., Liverpool by 3:10 p.m., Syracuse by 3:14 p.m. The storm will produce nickel-size hail, damaging winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. If you are caught outside, get indoors now. This is a dangerous storm. Please report hail or damaging winds by calling toll-free 1-877-665-0122. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for Onondaga County.